What is going on? As you can see beside me, the truck is in high build. In this video I'm going to go through what I went through, the process that I did to put it in high build, and then first go through the process of me putting it in, doing epoxy over it again, over the bodywork, and then high build, 3 good coats of high build on the doors, fenders, the shell, and then the inside I did regular 2K primer. That I didn't need to build as much as the outside, so I just did regular 2K. So yeah, you can watch the video, go through, see how I did the process, and let's get into the video. So this is what I used, the SPI 2K high build, this, their activator, and then a little bit of reducer. Alright, so I just got done spraying these parts with high build. I did the doors, the outside of the doors with high build, and the buckets, high build, gas door, high build, and then both the fenders. I kind of fabbed up this holder thing. Worked out pretty good. I didn't want to buy another set of stands because I'm only going to use them just this one time, and then after that I probably wouldn't use them again, so I figured I would just fab this up. That way they're somewhat sitting like they are on the truck. That way I can epoxy them and then high build them. That's basically what I did. You'll see, I guess, in the video what I did as far as doing the epoxy and then the high build. Threw this on real quick, only did the outside for now. I'll probably do the inside with regular 2K primer, so I don't waste all the high build. Next up, I have to wheel this thing outside, blow it off, and then I can start epoxy it again and then start high building this. I'm going to do the inside of the cab while I'm at it. I still have to take the masking off. But I plan on doing the A pillars, the roof, the B pillars, and then the back wall. The floor I'm gonna leave as is. That already has some Eastwood stuff on it, so I'm just gonna leave that on there. And then, yeah, it should be good to go to get working on some blocking. So that's where I'm at. So the truck is all masked up, it's been cleaned. I have the epoxy inducing. I have to wait like 30 minutes. I have 600 milliliters, I think, mixed up, ready to go. Yeah, I'm gonna paint back wall, B pillars, A pillars, ceiling, the outside of the truck, and then the front lower panel. Other than that, that's it. I'm just waiting 30 minutes so the paint will be good to go, and then I'll get to spraying. Catch you back when I start spraying. Alright, so it's back to black epoxy. I ended up putting 2 coats of epoxy on it, and the inside as well. Front done. Yeah, 2 good coats of epoxy on the outside, the inside, and I'm gonna wait a couple days and then do the high build. Wait a couple days, do the high build, and then wait a week and then see how it looks. So that's where I'm at. Epoxy's down. I'm stoked to be making more progress. All right, so I'm getting everything ready to spray the high build. I let everything sit in epoxy for 48 hours, and now Going to spray the inside of the doors with some just standard 2K epoxy I have, and then I have the high build I'm gonna do on the shell. I think I have at least a half gallon left. We'll see how much I can do to do the whole truck, but the insides of the doors and the inside of the shell itself I'm gonna do with the regular 2K. So it's so dark in there now. So yeah, I'm gonna probably start with the inside and then do the inside of the doors and then do the outside of the truck. We'll see. I've been just getting stuff ready. I have to go get my kids here in a minute, and then when I get home I'm gonna start spraying the epoxy and get that down. So I basically let everything sit for 48 hours, and then I'm gonna spray the high build and let that sit for a week or two, and then see if everything shrinks up, because I know the high build will shrink up, because based on this cup that I have, it pretty much shrunk up just a little bit. So yeah. So I'm pretty much ready to go. I just gotta wipe everything down with a tack rag and start spraying. So I'll be on that in a minute. Alright, so that's basically the process that I went through and did on the truck to get where I am at right now. Basically now, since this is here, I'm going to go about throwing the engine and trans back in the bay so I can figure out my wiring tuck, and I got some other odds and ends of stuff to finish up in the bay before I can basically finish it. Some metal work to do, and then the wiring. I wanted to make sure I had all the wiring set before I do the finished bodywork on the bay. So I'm going to throw that in, and then I'm going to put the suspension on and my wheels on, and I will show the wheels off to you guys that I bought to put on the truck. But I basically wanted to get it in high build, let this sit for a couple weeks, and then getting to blocking it. But yeah, anywho, if you came here this long, thanks for watching the video. I'll be back with another one soon. Going on vacation soon here for a few days, and then I'll get back working on the truck. But anywho, thanks again for watching. and I will see you on the next one. Bye.